Looks like someone's been hitting the couch instead of the gym. Just saying. What was that?
You're probably tired after your trip and hearing things.
No. My mother knows.
You need a nap. Can I?
What's going on with the bed, Woody?
Who knows? Raccoons or something?
I'm not surprised. I could not find a vase in that cluttered kitchen.
I think I have a vase upstairs. Go upstairs. Stay upstairs.
It's a good thing you're cute.
That bed is unsuitable. I'll sleep upstairs.